What would you say over, I guess, the timing of this? It comes alongside the hearings on the flood control projects, and syempre nababanggit po ang pangalan ni Representative Zaldico. Hindi po maalis sa taong bayan na maisip na ito ay pagtatakas mula dun sa mga hearing.
No, he never intend to, escape or hide, and that's why he continues to communicate with me. And but he doesn't want to, engage into any interviews because hindi nga stable yung kanyang kalagayan.
But does that mean that when, if he is called by Congress as resource person, that he will not attend?
Yes, he will attend if he will be summoned, provided that the same will be the subject of an ongoing investigation. Because what was raised by Toby Chanko was a subject matter which is not an issue that is not the subject matter of the TRICOM committee. Therefore, members of the committee are ruled not to, adhere to those requests because the improper.
Ibig nyo sabihin na hindi po dapat tinatalakay itong budget insertions kuno dito sa flood control hearings. Tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko?
Well, as a general rule, you can discuss all matters pertaining to a controversy at hand. But yung tinatalakay po noon doon sa TRICOM committee, if I may say, ay yung mga flood control projects already implemented and subject to scrutiny. Some of them were found out to be ghost projects and substandard or not completed. So you speak of a budget na hindi pa siguro implemented, hindi pa downloaded. Kumbaga, malilihis lang yung usapan ng issue, sa issue.